Welcome back to Asia Tonight. We have some breaking news out of Indonesia now. The Governor of Jakarta has declared a state of emergency for the next 2 weeks due to the coronavirus outbreak. Public entertainment will stop from Monday and public transport will be limited. For the latest, our correspondent Saiful Bahri Ismail joins us now from Jakarta. Saiful, what does this mean and how is life going to be affected in Jakarta?
Well, Dawn, Jakarta is indeed now under emergency alert level. What this means is that the local government will have more resources to cope with the COVID-19 situation. They will get the resources from the central government. And Jakarta is not the first city to actually issue an emergency alert status. Now, the city of Depok in West Java has also raised the alert level to an emergency status. Now, Jakarta has seen the most number of COVID-19 cases. It has been increasing rapidly and can be found in all areas. Now, it has the most number of confirmed cases and record the most number of deaths. As of Friday, Indonesia had recorded 369 confirmed cases with 32 deaths, the highest toll in Southeast Asia. Now, nearly 60% of the deaths in the country have been recorded in Jakarta. Now, observers said that the spread of the virus could become even more uncontrollable if the virus reaches the city's densely populated areas known as the kampongs. Now, the Jakarta government will also adjust the frequency of public transportation in a bid to encourage more people to stay at home and avoid going out. The Trans-Jakarta buses and the MRT Jakarta will also ensure that there are not too many people on board the buses and train carriages at any one time. This is another measure to practice social distancing. For example, the double-decker buses, which usually can carry 150 passengers, will now carry only 60 passengers. Now, Jakarta Governor Anies Baswedan also issued a call on Friday for for residents in Jakarta not to leave the city for 3 weeks to help Jakarta avoid the same fate as other countries. He had warned that Jakarta could become like Italy if the people did not practice social distancing. Now, it's understandable for Jakarta to record such high number of cases because it is the capital city and it is the gateway for many people coming in and out of the country.
Saiful, with the state of emergency now announced, what impact or what effect will it have on the edict laid down by the Ulema Council?
That has not changed. Governor Anies Baswedan has earlier called for the suspension of religious activities in all places of worship to stem the spread of the virus for 2 weeks. Now, many places of worship had heeded Mr. Anies' call to suspend religious gathering and congregations, including the Friday prayers today. But we do know there are still some mosques in Jakarta that has defied the call and have conducted Friday prayers today.
All right, many thanks for that. Saiful Bahri Ismail speaking to us from Jakarta.